With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In a circle of a radius 21 centimeter and arc subtended an angle 60 degree at the center, then find the first one is the length of the arc, and the second one the area of the sector formed by the arc, and the third one is the area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So first of all, we have to find the first one is, that is the area, the length of the arc. The length of the arc. So let's suppose we have a circle and we have to find the length of arc. Let's suppose this is the arc A, P, B, and this is the center of the circle O. So we have to find the length of arc A, P, B. So we know the formula of the find the value of the arc, then it will be theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. And here we have given that is the angle subtended at the center, that is 60 degree. So the value of the theta is 60 upon 360 into 2 into the pi, that value of 22 upon 7. The value of the r, that is radius of the circle, is 21. So this will be cancelled out with this by 3 times, and this will be cancelled out with this by 6 times. So then finally we can find the value of arc, then it will be 22 centimeter. This is the length of the arc. And the second one is the area of the sector formed by the arc. The second one is the area of the sector formed by the arc. So the area of the sector, area of a sector OAPB, then it will be theta upon 360 into pi into r square. So when we will put the value, then it will be theta, the angle subtended on the center, that is 60 upon 360 into pi 22 upon 7 into r square, that is 32, r square, that is 21 into 21. When we simplify this, then we will get, this will be cancelled out with this by 6 times, so 1 by 6 into 7 will be cancelled out 21 by 3 times, so then it will be 22 into 3 into 21. So when we simplify this, then 3 will be cancelled out with 6 2 times, so 2 will be cancelled out with 2 by 11 times, so it will be 231. This is the area of the sector, area of a sector OAPB. And the third one, we have to ask the value of the area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So area of the segment, so the corresponding chord is AB. So we have to find the area of the segment APB, area of a segment APB, area. The third one is area of a segment APB. It is equal to area of a sector OAPB and minus area of a triangle AOB. So here we have area of the sector OAPB, we have already defined, that is 231, and minus area of a triangle AOB. So in the given figure, area of a triangle AOB, so we have given the OA, that is radius of the circle, 21, and we have also given this is 21. So when we have given the two adjacent sides of the triangle and the angle between the both two sides, then we apply the formula to find the area, that is area of a triangle AOB. That is, if we have given a triangle, let's suppose this is a triangle, O, A, B. Let's suppose length this is B, this is A. So when we find the area, this is given theta. So when we find that is 1/2 half B into A into the angle between the side, that is sine theta. So we apply this formula. Then we have given 1/2 the side of the triangle. This is 21 and 21, both is equal. 21 into 21 into the angle between two adjacent side is 60. So we put this value, that is a sine 60. So then 1/2, this will be 441 into the value of sine 60 is a √3/2. Then it will be √3/4 into 441. So we will put this value in here, that is √3/4 into 441. So this is the area of the segment, area of a segment APB. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.